Welcome back to another video. In this video we are going to solve this problem. We have to find the value of x. Let 3x minus 30 is equal to minus 3. So first of all here we write 3x minus 3, we change minus 30 on the other side of equal, it becomes plus 30. So we write equal minus 3 plus 30. So now here we write 3x is equal to minus 30 plus 30 is equal to 27. So now here 3 is multiplied by x. We divide 3 by both side. Divide 3, divide 3. So now 3 cancel. So now x is equal to 27 upon 3. So now x is equal to 9. So this is our answer. Now we can check if our answer is right or wrong. So now we put the value of x in this formula. So we write 3x minus 30 is equal to minus 3. So now we find the value of x is equal to 9. So we put the value of x. So we write here 3. We write 9 instead of x. Then minus 30 is equal to minus 3. So now 9 3 then 27. We write here 27 minus 30 is equal to minus 3. So now 27 minus 30 is equal to minus 3 is equal to minus 3. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. So we said that our answer is right.